Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Deco x20 with Deco e4 and I'm going to share with you some important things that you need to know about both of these. So regards specs and stuff like that. So first thing first, when you can look here on the Wi-Fi standard, that's better for x20. You're gonna have a better. Then also you're gonna have the Deco x20 got better the Wi-Fi speed here, and I will just show you right here. So you can see the specifications. You have 1200 for 5 GHz and 574 for the 4.4 GHz, and here got only 800 and 300. So the Wi-Fi speed is just better, right? So now when you're gonna look here further, you're gonna have Wi-Fi range is also better for x20. If you can have like all the realms, is just better. Mesh technology same, antenna same, beamforming same. Wi-Fi capacity, you're gonna have a Deco x20, you're gonna have it high, and then you're gonna have working modes is same. Network security is better for x20, and also Wi-Fi encryption, Ethernet ports. You're gonna have more ports here. So if you want to use it for Ethernet, let's say you want to have it connected to your let's say PC, right? So here you're gonna have the 2 GB ports, but for E4 you have it only 2 times 10 to 100 megabytes per. So this is like highly important for you to know. Now here parental controls also better for x20, the quality of service and all the other things are tied. So for me x20 is completely dominating e4 and there is nothing to think about. Just go with the x20. So have a great day and goodbye.